surrender your ego?
Yes, I would.
Why would you like to do that?
Because I want to live.
Oh, living is most beautiful, is it not?
Yep.
Well, come on forward. Put your hand in my mouth.
He's gonna bite you.
I need to go on a diet.
Lovable I am.
Lovable I am.
Lovable I am.
One more time. Lovable I am.
Lovable I am.
Oh, lovable, you're so lovable. That's beautiful.
You like it?
Lovely forever. Until next time. My proof is a fabulous. How may I serve you?